Have you ever wondered how astronomers basically managed to find the Kuiper belt? The region it is located is basically so dark. Even the sun's light, which is basically the powerhouse of the earth for the life it supports, very weak when it reaches that region. Think about it. Objects or big rock in that region are basically hundreds of miles in size, but they don't possess their own light. So they are basically dark objects, stretches from about 30 astronomical unit to 50 astronomical unit away from the sun. So that means the light from the sun which reaches those region basically becomes so weak that it doesn't reflect much of that surface. And on the top of the point also contains ice material, but most of it are basically organic compounds on their surface like tholins, which produce when sunlight or cosmic rays interact with methane and nitrogen ices, and these material give the surface a deep red or rusty brown color, especially for the dynamically cooled objects which have more stable and circular orbit. Some Kuiper belt objects are less red or more gray or neutral, which is usually means they have experienced collision, exposure, fresher ice surface, contain less complex organic or more water ice, being to more chaotic region of the belt. So, who actually put the idea that there could be a belt beyond the Neptune region? The idea of the belt beyond the Neptune was first produced way back in 1951 by the Dutch astronomer named Gerrit Kuiper. But here is the twist. Kuiper didn't believe himself that such a belt existed. He proposed that it used to exist in early solar system history, but the object has since been cleared out. So, just because of his early work, this region was named after him. And ironically, he didn't believe in the current version of it. So, you may be wondering who actually discovered it. So, basically, fast forward in 1992, when astronomer named David Jewitt and Jane Lu were scanning the sky using the University of Hawaii 2.2 meter telescope at Mauna Kea. They were looking for the faint object beyond the Neptune, and after years of patent searching, they actually discovered the Kuiper belt through the video footage from the telescope. Just one dot which was moving very slowly. And since that discovery, astronomers have basically detected thousands of other objects just beyond the solar system. And so in 1992, the size of the solar system actually increases, because before the discovery of Kuiper belt, they actually thought that the end of the solar system or end of the sun influence is basically till the Neptune, but it was not. Sun gravitational pull is basically beyond the Neptune's orbit. One member of our planet family lost its status. That's right, Pluto. It basically became the dwarf planet because in the Kuiper belt region there were more giant-sized objects lurking, even bigger than the Pluto. So they gave it the title of a dwarf planet. And here is also a fun fact. Some scientists wanted to call it Edgeworth Kuiper belt, since Kenneth Edgeworth, an Irish astronomer, also predicted the existence of distant icy bodies, but Kuiper's name stuck more widely. Thank God. So alright, this is how we actually discovered the Kuiper belt beyond the Neptune's orbit. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you around with another space fact.